Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix can't link Microsoft account to Steam in Halo Campaign Evolved game. So here follow the steps very carefully. So first of all, launch the game from Steam and not from the game installation folder. If you're trying to launch the game from the installation folder, then close it and simply launch the game from the Steam. And when you click on play button, select play Halo Campaign Evolved and then click on play. The game will launch and then it will ask you to link your Microsoft account to Steam. Then open the link via the web browser and manually enter the Microsoft account email and password and then try to log in. And that's it. This will fix the issue. Now if still your problem is not solved, then close the game completely. Then connect to VPN. You can connect to any VPN such as NordVPN, ProtonVPN or any other VPN and connect to USA location and then try to link Microsoft account to Steam by following the same steps mentioned earlier, and this will fix the problem. Alternatively, run the Edge web browser as the default browser and ensure that the Xbox account email is logged in at the top right, and then try linking it again and it should work. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix can't link Microsoft account to Steam in Halo Campaign Evolved game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.